Fortis Control Trainer is being promoted as a simple device that strengthens your pelvic floor and improves bladder control. But the real question is whether it actually trains your pelvic muscles, or if it's just repackaged exercise equipment. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Pelvic floor training is real and medically recommended, especially for issues like incontinence. The key principle is progressive resistance and repeated contractions, similar to any muscle training. However, here's the key point. Fortis itself is just a basic resistance tool, not a proven or advanced training system. There are some positives. First, the concept makes sense. The device works by placing it between your thighs and squeezing, which can indirectly activate pelvic floor muscles. Second, resistance can help. Unlike doing Kegels in the air, adding resistance can improve muscle engagement, at least in theory. Third, it's simple and non-invasive. No insertion, no electronics, just basic physical exercise. That said, there are important limitations. First, indirect training. Squeezing your thighs mainly targets inner thigh muscles, not the pelvic floor directly. This means results may be limited or inconsistent. Second, no feedback or guidance. Unlike clinical devices, it doesn't tell you if you're activating the right muscles, how strong your contractions are, whether you're improving over time. Experts note that pelvic training tools work best with feedback or proper instruction, not guesswork. So, does Fortis actually train your pelvis? Yes, but only in a basic and indirect way. The bottom line is this. Fortis Control Trainer is not a scam, but it's a very simple tool marketed as something more advanced than it is. It may help beginners become more aware of muscle engagement, but it's not precise, not clinically proven, and not the most effective option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.